Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm in the Wix website editor, and then from in there, I will be able to see here some things on my window. So from in there, I can see that I have some text right here, and I can actually edit that. So to edit that, you can just click on this quick edit right here, and then from in there, you will see your quick edit for this one. So as you can see, here's the title. So if you want to edit that, just click on that, and then you can see the B right here. So just click on me, then as you can see, it will bold. Or you can also just click on the Control V, and then it will also bold using that. There's a lot of options that you can do. You can also use italic or underline. But for this one, let's just apply a bold other text. So once you're done with that, you can actually just save and publish your site, and it will be available to everyone that is visiting your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to bold text on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, leave me below or share because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!